My name's Jacob Jarvis and I'm a reporter for the Leicester Mercury. When I was younger I thought it'd be a good idea to stretch my ear. So this is me in around 2008 when I had this massive metal circle in my right earlobe. But when I was about 18 I sort of got a bit tired of it. I wasn't into that sort of fashion anymore, so I got rid of it, which left me with a sort of hole in my ear for the past 7 years. That is until I met Jenova Rain, who she's a specialist in earlobe reconstruction, and she fixed it for me. So now, as you can see, I've got a normal earlobe again. Here's a video of the procedure. I was quite looking at the pharmacist I went to was really like, she seemed really concerned with me doing it wrong, so she was quite good at sort of like chatting me through it a little bit. And whose ear you've helped to stretch, who's then asked you to stitch it back up.
Actually, so far, no, unfortunately, because that would make a great little...
I can imagine in 10 years' time you can have a quite self-sustaining business or something.
Just for your own peace of mind, just give that little squeeze, little pinch in that area. It'll feel quite weird.
Yeah, it feels like...
This is not to disappoint you, but kind of average.
Yeah.
There's nothing too special about this one, unfortunately.
Well, I've got some mates who's are pretty off. Like, mine's kind of still quite symmetrical, even though it's messed up. It's still quite sort of fat.
I can tell because you've got like just a little bit of excess lobe on that side. So normally, when I'm working this out, I'm looking trying to get these as symmetrical as possible.
Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty much like it'd be like the same size as my other.
Not too far off. It's kind of eerie silence now. I probably only did sort of one every 3 months, something like that, because it was kind of unheard of. Like, nobody really knew you could even get it done this way.
No.
And it was probably about like 2 or 3 years ago. Suddenly I'm doing like one a day. Do
you have people travel from particularly far to...
But I've had someone come from Hungary.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'm like, how was your journey? It was like, my flight wasn't bad. Well, so yeah, we're just going to start getting some stitches in here now. But yeah, I was saying earlier just before you arrived, I feel a bit jammy, to be honest.
Yeah, it's just a lot of focus, isn't it, sort of thing. Yeah. And then it's something that obviously you sound like you care about doing it, and you never want to make a situation worse for someone, do you? So that's why I always think this sort of thing is, I can imagine being so pressurised. I'd feel so bad.
Yes.
If you slip, you know what I mean? It's something that's...
This is it. This is somebody who likes the rest of their life. Lovely. Spot on. Wow, well done.